Hey everyone, and welcome back to my crafting diary. Today I'm just going to be making some sweatshirts, also unboxing my Cricut 3.
Perfect.
I received this for Christmas as a Christmas gift, and I'm just now unboxing it. I'm just now getting some time, so I am going to be making my first set of shirts on my new Cricut Explore 3. So I went to Hobby Lobby and I got all the sweatshirts. I think it's probably about 10. Then I went to my Cricut software, and of course I had to change it to the Explore 3, and then I also had to update the software, so you're going to be seeing me do that. And then after that I will be printing out the designs. Now that the software has updated, I printed out my designs. I'm just going to be weeding out the images. So 360 for 20 seconds. It's very hot. I really need to put it back down to 320. 360 is a little